Charming 3-bedroom ranch with optional loft for 4th bedroom or home office in the desired Southbridge subdivision. 2 full baths. Open floor plan concept with loads of windows offering an abundance of natural sunlight. Newly remodeled. New windows, carpet, paint, ceramic, flooring and landscaping. Kitchen features high-end gourmet appliances for the person that loves to cook and access to the back deck. Large master bedroom with tray ceiling and large walk-in closet. Attached master bath has walk-in shower, soaker tub and his and her sinks and a sliding door leading to outside deck. Large closets in the additional 2 bedrooms. Family room has a fireplace with built-in shelving surround which spills into the dining room for family gatherings.